These are methods to prevent disruption through environmental controlling, such as fire protection, proper shielding, and configuring HVAC systems. So, for fire suppression, remember there are just four key elements when it comes to fire and for a fire to occur: fuel or combustible material, oxygen to sustain that combustion, heat to raise the material to an ignition temperature, and then the chemical reaction. That's the fire itself. The Security Plus examination expects you to know and recognize which type of fire extinguisher to use for which type of fire: Class A, B, C, D, and Ks. Next is EMI shielding. Remembering attackers could pick up electromagnetic fields and read data. One of the ways to protect against this type of attack is a Faraday cage. It's a metal enclosure that prevents entry or escape of electromagnetic fields. It's often used for testing in electronic labs. And your HVAC system. Data centers, for instance, have very special cooling requirements, more cooling necessary due to large numbers of systems generating heat in a confined area. Heating, ventilating, and air conditioning, otherwise known as HVAC systems, maintain that temperature and relative humidity as required for those levels. You will need to arrange your data center in what's known as a hot cold aisle. This is simply by lining your servers up in alternating rows with cold air intakes facing one direction and hot air exhausts facing the other direction. The location of the computer data center is an important consideration as well. For instance, placing a wireless access point in a plenum can be a hazard.